The X16K on the final run went 120 feet 8 inches and it blew over at 120 feet 8 inches. Next, we're going to test the X15 Old School. The X15 Old School is the fifth in the line of the old school type hydroplanes. The 1955 Miss Swiftway, the 1956 Swiftway 2, the 1955 Gale 5, and the 1956 Hawaii Kai have preceded the X15. Some adjustments were made with this boat. It's much thinner, and the chine is extended, and it has a larger tail on it, and it's also very light. So we're going to test this one and see what we can come up with today. Our goal for this boat today is 100 feet. Let's go test the Old School. We're going to test the X15 Old School at 1/3 power, an SJC rocket motor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. At the first test run for X15 Old School, the boat traveled 54 feet 4 inches. Now we're going to go up to 2/3 power, an S-Days D rocket motor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In the last test, at 2/3 power SJC rocket motor, the X15 Old School traveled 77 feet. In this series, this is a record that was previously held by the 1955 rocket-powered model Miss Swiftway. Old School is the first of this series to go over 70 feet. The goal for the boat today was to hit 100 feet. It is now at full power, an S-Days E rocket motor. Let's see how she performs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa, man! That is definitely a record. That is a record. Wow. That is a record. That last run was a record breaker. The X15 Old School traveled 162 feet 5 inches. Of all the boats I've ever made, this one's gone the furthest. Prior to this, one of my boats went 160 feet 7 inches. Old School went 162.5. It's still quite a ways away from James Leal's 202, but it's a start. This will be the last run of the day. We're going to try it one more time. The X15 Old School. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This time, Old School traveled 124 feet.